Give me water. मुझे पानी दो. Give me water. Open the door. दरवाजा खोलो. Open the door. Close the window. खिड़की बंद करो. Close the window. Help me please. Please मेरी मदद करें. Help me please. Sit down here. यहाँ बैठो. Sit down here. Turn on the light. Light on करें. Turn on the light. Sit down here. यहाँ बैठो. Sit down here. Turn off the fan. पंखा बंद करें. Turn off the fan. Bring my bag. मेरा बैग ले आओ. Bring my bag. Pass the book. किताब पास करो. Pass the book. Call me later. बाद में कॉल करें. Call me later. Read this page. इस सफ़ा को पढ़ें. Read this page. Listen to me. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Look at this. ये देखो. Look at this. Clean the table. मेज साफ करें. Clean the table. Wash your hands. अपने हाथ धोएं. Wash your hands. Eat your food. अपना खाना खाओ. Eat your food. Start the work. काम शुरू करो. Start the work. Give it back. इसे वापस दो. Give it back. Go home. घर जाओ. Go home. Take this. ये ले लो. Take this. Bring food. खाना ले आओ. Bring food. Drink water. पानी पियो. Drink water. Eat slowly. आस्ता से खाएं. Eat slowly. Run fast. तेजी से भागो. Run fast. Walk slowly. आहिस्ता चले. Walk slowly. Look here. यहाँ देखो. Look here. Close your books. अपने किताबें बंद करें. Close your books. Write the answer. जवाब लिखें. Write the answer. Time is up. वक्त खत्म हो गया है. Time is up. Turn to page 10. सफ़ा 10 पढ़ें. Turn to page 10. Look at the board. बोर्ड को देखो. Look at the board. Buy some food. कुछ खाना खरीदें. Buy some food. Clean the house. घर को साफ करो. Clean the house. Watch TV. टीवी को देखें. Watch TV. Relax a little. थोड़ा आराम करो. Relax a little. Wait for the bus. बस का इंतजार करें. Wait for the bus. Get out of bed. बिस्तर से उठ जाओ. Get out of bed. Brush your teeth. अपने दांत ब्रश करें. Brush your teeth. Pack your bag. अपने बैग को पैक करें. Pack your bag. See you tomorrow. कल मिलते हैं. See you tomorrow. उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक शेयर कमेंट कर देना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.